We'll guide you through how to add padding around text in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu appears, search for Google Chrome in the taskbar search field and open the Google Chrome browser application from the results. After the browser has loaded completely, click the search bar, enter Figma, and press enter on the keyboard. From the search results page, click the official Figma website to continue. The Figma main page will then appear in your browser window. Before proceeding, ensure you have already logged into your Figma account so you can access your design files and editing tools. After signing in successfully, start a new design by clicking the plus design button on your dashboard. A blank design canvas will open where you can create and edit elements. To add padding around text in Figma, select the text tool, which is represented by the letter T icon in the toolbar. Move your cursor to the desired location on the canvas and left-click with your mouse to create a text box. Type the text you want to use, then finish by clicking anywhere outside the text box. Once the text layer is created and selected, add padding by pressing Shift+ on your keyboard. This shortcut applies auto layout to the selected text and automatically creates padding around it. To make the padding area easier to see, add a background color behind the text. Move to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen and search for the Fill section. In the Fill settings, choose a color you like for the background and then close the color palette when you are satisfied with the selection. The color background will help you clearly see the padding space surrounding the text. Next, adjust the padding size to achieve the appearance you want. In the Auto Layout settings, locate the padding column and enter specific numerical values to increase or decrease the spacing around the text. Alternatively, you can adjust the padding visually by clicking and holding the left mouse button on the padding controls and dragging them left or right.